Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the default tab stop setting in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to change the default tab stop. Go to the Home menu, then select the Paragraph Settings option. And we can see here the tab stop settings. Now we change the tab stop, select this default tab stop option. You can increase it or decrease it. Now I increase 0.10 or 1, then click OK. Then apply this tab stop, click before the text, then press tab on our keyboard, and we can see we change the default tab stop very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.